Ada Poonawalla is the Chief Executive Officer, CEO of Serum Institute of India. He made the headlines when Serum Institute claimed that his institute is in partnership with the British company and will supply the COVID-19 vaccine to the world developed by Oxford University, England. The company was founded by his father, Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla, Vaccine King of India, in 1966, and it is the world's largest vaccine manufacturer as of 2017. His mother's name is Vilo Poonawalla, who died in 2010. He is the only child to his parents and was brought up with the utmost care in the family. His wife's name is Natasha Poonawalla, who is an Indian businesswoman, chairperson of the Vilo Poonawalla Foundation and executive director of Serum Institute of India. The couple also blessed with two sons. His elder son's name is Cyrus, who was born in 2009, and his younger son's name is Darius, who was born in 2015. Ada Poonawalla was educated at the Bishop's School St. Edmund's School, Canterbury, followed by the University of Westminster. After completing her graduating from the University of Westminster, London, Ada Poonawalla joined the Serum Institute of India in 2001 and became CEO in 2011. He initiated and launched in 2014 Serum Institute's oral polio vaccine, which became a bestseller for the company. It was reported that he planned to expand the product portfolio to include vaccines for dengue, flu and cervical cancer during the same year. In 2020, Ada was included in a Fortune magazine's 40 Under 40 listing in the healthcare category. In 2011, he became the CEO. In 2012, he played a major role in the acquisition of Bilthoven Biologicals, a Netherlands-based government vaccine manufacturing company. Poonawalla is a board member of the GAVI Alliance, the Global Vaccine Alliance. In 2018, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis presented the ETH Maharashtra Achievers Awards for Business Leader of the Year to Poonawalla. He further received CNBC Asia's Award for Corporate Social Responsibility in the same year. Poonawalla joined the Serum Institute of India in 2001 after graduating from university. Then exporting its products to 35 countries, Poonawalla concentrated on the company's international market, new products license and getting pre-qualified by the World Health Organization for supply to United Nations agencies including UNICEF and PAHO. As of 2015, he has helped the company export its products to over 140 countries. 85% of its revenues are from overseas. He also worked on getting new products licensed and pre-qualified by the World Health Organization. He has started supplying his company's products to United Nations agencies like UNICEF and PAHO. As the CEO of the company every year, he plans to launch a new vaccine for public health and to expand his product portfolio. Poonawalla also has strong ties to the horse racing and breeding industry. He was once elected Vice Chairman of the Asian Racing Federation and has also held various prestigious posts in the horse racing field.